about that.
Okay.
Really, it is.
Today we're going to assemble the dash for the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. All of '68 and through December of '69, Chrysler had a problem. This was an erroneous label that they had put on the temperature gauges, so it read wrong. They corrected it in December of '69, and so since my Roadrunner was a 70, it should have that correct one. If you had a '68 or an early '69 model with the same dash, you would have used the incorrect one to be fully correct. I'm surprised you guys didn't know that.
Well, it must be interesting trying to get this on there, huh?
Darren has one job to do. Put 6 nuts on the back of a dash pad. That's all he's got to do. That's all he's got to do. And he can't do that.
Reach. I got it. What was that? Oh, the washer fell off. Thank you.
Here's the problem with these glasses. If anybody's ever bought a pair of glasses from Walmart or one of the craft stores, the dollar stores, this is what you get. I spent an hour making these straight. An hour. And now I look like some derelict on the side of the road eating bags of potato chips. Look at that. It doesn't matter. You can take them off. It's okay. You're going on straight. You're going on straight. And that's what you get.
We're used to you looking like that.
Crap. Garbage. Well, I've been getting a ton of pressure from everybody saying that I've been mean to Darren and...
Well, you have. The counseling is not
No,
really
but
helping.
the point is, and I think that I'm gonna just quit taking your bait, because what he does, he'll come at me with foolishness when the cameras aren't rolling.
This is ridiculous.
Like when everybody's gone, he'll needle me, jab me 3 or 4 times, and then I'll take the bait, but I take it on camera. So everybody writes in, gosh, I don't know why you say Darren's so mean. He's so sweet. He's such a nice guy. Well, he's not. Not.
Well, we gotta do something here, folks. I'm very sweet. That's what everybody sees, the real sweet me on TV. See, you are not being so sweet.
Okay.
And what I did here, the socket was too deep, so the nut couldn't get on the threads. So I put a little piece of plastic in the bottom of the socket to keep the nut out further, so I could get it on the studs for the dash pad.
To make you look distinguished.
That'll work.
You look stupid.
Oh, I look stupid? You know what? I do. I look stupid, and Darren looks actually really good. So that's fine.
Those glasses make you look hideous.
I can't see
for pity's
without 'em.
sakes.
I can't see without them. Repeat that back. Mark can't see without them.
Mark can't see without them.
That's why Mark puts them on. And I asked for a nice pair. I didn't ask for these.
You still look stupid.
I got work to do. Just shut up. Let's rotate this up.
Okay, buddy, go for it. Look how it fits so wonderful.
Here, hold that for me for a second.
Thought you didn't need me for anything. Why don't you just use a screwdriver?
Because you lost it. You lost it.
What is wrong
That's
with
why.
you? What's wrong
You're
with
what's
you?
wrong with me.
You fight with everyone.
I don't fight with anybody but
You fight
you.
with Royal, you fight with Chuck, you fight with me, you fight with Josh, you fight with the cameraman.
Mark, just lighten up, would you?
You see? See like what I tell
You know what? If you guys want to lose everything and smash it and break it, I wish you would.
Oh, God.
Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.